Hello, welcome to RJ Reviews. Today we will unbox and review a charger for a 2012 MacBook Pro. Welcome to RJ Reviews. We'll now take a closer look at the charger that we just unboxed. So this is a replacement charger for a 2012 MacBook Pro. It's the white L-tip charger. So the first thing we want to do is remove the dust cap from the charger. We take a closer look there, see what that entails. Okay. And then it's installed directly to the left side of the machine. Okay. The manufacturer recommends that you plug this directly into the wall or into a power supply as shown here. And you say, well, what are the other alternatives? What they don't recommend is that you use an extension cord and allow this to lie flat on carpet or on the floor, because it generates a lot of heat and it could be a fire hazard. And there was a handy little card with those instructions I just shared with you. That's worth holding on to. But then there is also an Amazon gift card exchange offer. So basically, if we do a review, which we're doing a review now, if it's a video review, it's $10. If it's a written review, $5. So here's my review of the product. So for value, I give this product an 8. To power an Apple product, it comes in at about $20, and that's a steal. For durability, I would give this charger a 7. It's worked well for me, but there are a few glitches where I think it could be more reliable and durable. Would I purchase this product again? Absolutely. Actually, this is my third product, and I've had good success with all three. Would I recommend this product? Absolutely. If you'd like to purchase it as well, see the link in the description. Thank you for visiting our channel and watching this video. We ask that you subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and share it with a friend. See you next time. Bye now.